Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Boxed Smart Stockup feature. So let's just get straight into the video. First, let's understand the feature. So the Boxed Smart Stockup feature is an AI-driven tool designed to make reordering household essentials easier by predicting when you will run out of frequently purchased items. It acts as a replenishment system integrated within the app, website, and the company's bulky chatbot in the messenger. So the system analyzes your past orders on the Box application or website to understand your consumption pattern. The feature uses algorithm to predict when your inventory of specific item is low. When you are low on items, the feature offers an easy way to reorder them through the platform. You can use bulky Box chatbot via Facebook Messenger to check which items you are low on and assist with reordering. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.